Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to a very chilly evening in the garden. Tonight we're going to be playing with some beautiful colors that I love, DecoArt's Deep Sapphire and their Emerald Green. It's almost December and it's Christmas tree time, and I actually really love my Christmas tree. I love that beautiful, I don't even like to put ornaments on it yet, I just like the plain white lights on it for just a couple of weeks. It's just so pretty, and that deep green of the tree really inspired me. And you know, I love all the twinkling lights, so this is a lot of fun. Tonight we're going to be using some awesome colors, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. This is a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. I have painted my sides and edges with my Payne's gray that we're going to use as the base coat, and I have taped the back and put my push pins in, so that's all ready to go. The colors we're using are gorgeous tonight. Like I said, this is the DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in Deep Sapphire. And this is just such a gorgeous color. Deep and shiny and sparkly and glistening. I mean, it's just so beautiful. Really awesome. My paint is mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium and Floetrol tonight. It is kind of thick, leaving a mound on a mound, and then it sinks into itself pretty quickly. Not super thick, but not very thin. Okay, so that's the Deep Sapphire. Then we are using my Amsterdam Bronze, my lovely friend. I love this. The thing that I love most about this is the way it dries. Every time it dries, I look at it and I go, oh my god, and literally it's breathtaking. Okay, so that's our bronze. Next we have our Payne's Gray from Golden. That I've been on this Payne's Gray base coat kick for a while now. Which I love how deep it is and how dark it dries, and I really like that it's not actually black, but it's almost that dark. So really cool stuff. This is Payne's Gray from Golden. Mound on a mound and then sinking pretty quick. And that's also going to be our base coat color. And then I have here Amsterdam Titanium White. Beautiful. And then we have DecoArt's Emerald in their metallics also. The one who started this all. Okay, so tonight we're going to be using our 22 ounce split cup from Tracy Reed Designs. This is the lovely cup that she made me that says my name on it, but it also says 22 ounces, and it also says acrylicpouringtools.com, which I think is wonderful. So we're going to use this cup. We're going to be using that Payne's Gray as a base coat color. So to that end, I'm going to actually put the Payne's Gray in the middle, in the center, because last time I did this, it kind of made it look like everything else was floating on the surface, which was really cool. I'm going to start on one side with the Deep Sapphire. And then I'm going to layer my bronze and my white in this chamber in the middle of those two. A little bit of bronze first, a little bit of white. Bronze. We'll do one more bronze and that's it. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on the chamber on the other side of the center with the bronze and the white, maybe going a little heavier on the white on that one. And I like doing this because it just sort of breaks up the bronze and it breaks up the white, and there's not too much of either. And then we're going to put our emerald on the other side. Okay. I think I want to put just a little bit of white on top of both of those with the bronze and the white in them. Just because our base coat is going to be that dark, beautiful Payne's Gray, I really want to make sure that there's something creating a delineation around our pour. Okay, so let's put that up there, and let's put our base coat down real quick. This is thinner than that paint. This is also Liquitex Gloss Medium and Floetrol with water in it. Now, I haven't been making this super thin lately because I feel like when I do make it super thin, then it actually causes more problems than it's worth. So we're just gonna pour some of this on here, tilt that out real quick, and maybe spread it a bit. Right. Should we do a wandering ring pour or a ring pour?
Wandering. It's good to travel.
Traveling is a good thing. We'd love to travel. Let us know in the comments what's the one place you want to travel to more than anything else. Okay. All right, we're going to start kind of over here and we're going to kind of move around a little bit. Actually, I'm going to start a little bit more in the center. Yeah?
Yep.
Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass. That I am.
Here we go. That's really pretty with the Payne's gray and the emerald green, and that's really pretty with the sapphire and the emerald. And I love this right here.
Oh, yeah.
Very cool. Okay, let's give that a quick torch. And it tripped right there apparently. Alright, let's tilt this out. I'm going to take this end where the weight of the paint is down here, and we're going to kind of get rid of that little bit, probably off that corner. And I am okay with some negative space if that happens. If not, that's okay too. I want to kind of anchor that over the edge. I'm going to bring it back towards the center. And then we're going to move down this way. And take it up the corner. Just move it down nice and easy. That's really cool up here. I love that Payne's gray. See if we can't take some of that center part down.
like the negative space.
Huh?
I like the negative space.
Up here in this corner or in the center there?
In the corner.
Yeah, me too. I'm just going to try to get rid of a little bit of that very solid blue part. I like everything about it except for the big giant green leaf in the middle. So we can take a little bit more of this off. So I really like everything that's happening. I don't want to lose this and I don't want to lose this, but I do want to get rid of some of that. I am losing a little bit of this in the meantime, but that's okay. This way a little bit, even it out. I've used the weight of this paint to push that way, and I'm going to try and get this off and leave this alone. Which seems like it might actually work. One of the things I tell my students in my classes is remember you are actually driving the paint. You are the one who is making it go where you want it to go. So use the weight of the paint to help you. This is looking really cool. I like that a lot. What do you think, HOA?
I think it's really cool. I like the interaction with the green.
Yeah, no, I like it now. I like all of these lines. That's really cool. And now that we've taken some of this off, there's still contrast here between the emerald and the sapphire and a little bit of the white and the Paynes when these have all opened up. And that's going to be so cool when it dries with the Paynes against that, or the bronze against the Paynes with that emerald green is going to be beautiful. So this is really
stuff with this blue on this edge is really cool.
Yeah. Definitely. So I will show you guys this one when it's dry. Unfortunately, that will not be at the end of this video. We had a bit of a family emergency that put us off a couple of days, but everything's okay now. So we hopefully will get back on regular schedule, and I will show you this dry in the next video. Thank you guys so much for being here with us tonight. I don't anticipate this changing. If anything, the Payne's gray will get a little darker and the other colors will start to deepen a little bit more, but it's pretty much going to stay just like this. So this was very cool. This part's really neat in there, and all these little ghosty white lines. Real pretty stuff. So that's awesome. See, this is the part that I always get on my face. All right. Thanks for being here, guys. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.